much spray material you're putting out when you make applications for weed control in your pastures and hay. It's important that we know from our spray rig how much volume per acre we're applying, and in turn know how many acres we can cover with a particular tank full of spray material. With that information, then we'll be able to calculate how much herbicide to add to our tank, and then know within a given field how much we can cover. Okay, in determining how much material to be applied to a given field, we need to select a course length based upon the nozzle spraying of our boom sprayer, and we can determine that from the chart that we have provided. So once we know the nozzle spacing, then we need to lay out the course in the field to be sprayed. Now in the case of a boomless sprayer, we still select the course length, but that is now based on the width of the nozzle spray swath. So once we measure the spray width, then we can determine the course of the length. We also need to know the time to drive the course. So once we measure out the course, we drive the course using a comfortable gear and speed on the tractor, and we should take an average of 3 trips across this given course length. Once we've completed that, then we need to park our tractor, also catch the output from one of the nozzles for the time that we have determined based upon our course length and the time it took to drive the course. And as we collect the output from this nozzle, then we need to measure that in ounces. And the number of ounces that we collect then will equal the number of gallons that we're applying per acre. Now in the case of a boomless sprayer, we're going to measure in pints rather than ounces, and this will equal then the gallons of acre that we're applying. I also want to encourage each of you, as we think about spraying, take time to be safe. We need to be sure and read our product label each time that we're mixing and making a spray application. And also importantly, we need to be conscious of weather conditions, particularly wind speed, so that we're spraying in calm conditions. Certainly try to avoid any overspray and drift on the sensitive crops that may be nearby.